Double tree, plus I got this running me. Really yellow dancing on me, so she smell the green on me. She straight from California, freaky, yeah, she wanna be. Tell me she like boys and girls, oh well, that's okay for me.
Haha, that is pretty cool. I hope people don't just kind of steal it and put different assets on it and YouTube spams it in my recommend.
Double tree, plus I got this running me. Double tree, plus I got this running me.
Haha, I love this game. This game is very... What's going on? Are you serious? You know what, loser? You and your stupid dance are dead to wait. If there's videos of them stealing assets of different BFB characters, does that mean that I have to cover up every BFB character for doing the loser dance? I'm sorry I had to do this, but you left me no choice. Well, alright, I have my sketchbook here, and I think I'm just gonna draw my OC volleyball, just like having a good time. Haha, I am finally oh my god. Well, let's just like check my Instagram. What? Take this as a warning. Oh no. Okay, wow. They've taken over my Switch, my Instagram, my sketch.
You have been disrespecting my reign.
How would you even get all those papers down? Look, I wasn't criticizing you. I was just criticizing all the people that just kind of take the dancing video of you and just like steal it.
You literally said, loser, I am tired of you and your stupid dance.
That is true.
Well, bow down to me or Pietro gets it.
Pietro.
Yes, Pietro.
I'll just cut you off of my poster.
You wouldn't.
I'll just... There. Goodbye. Don't worry, Pietro. You're safe now with your best friends Bob and Marina. I'm probably gonna need some of these after that.
Stolen loser dance videos.
Become the dominant race.